Welcome, guys, and I am excited. I know it's a little weird. We have to stay at home today, but we still have the ability to do stuff digitally, so I'm excited to be here with you. We're still going to get in our stuff with our question and answer relationships. We kind of spoke about it our last class period, but we're going to go through and continue to read our books. Facts versus opinions versus robots, okay? And here's the cover page, and you can see that Michael Rex is the author of this. We've kind of did just a quick overview of the book, just visually looked at it last time that we were in class. But some of the things that we're going to be going through when we go through our Q&R is just what I want you to look for is right there, Think and Search, Author U, and On My Way. And we'll touch on this once we get back. I just want you to kind of think about that. And if you're a little confused, there's nothing wrong with that, okay? So let's go through and go through our book here. All right. Facts and opinion. Do you know the difference between a fact and an opinion? It can be a hard thing to understand. Even these robots get confused. But maybe if we work together, we can figure it out. It's pretty cool. We got a red robot and a blue robot. Here are 3 robots. Let's count those guys. 1, 2, 3. Each robot has 2 eyes. 1 robot is blue. 1 robot is red. And 1 robot is yellow. Are there 3 robots? What do you guys think? Yes, there are. Do they each have 2 eyes? Yes, they do. And do any of them have 3 eyes? No. Do any is 1 blue? Yes, he's right here. Very good. Is 1 red? Yes. Is 1 yellow? Yes. Is there a green robot? No, there's not a green robot. So we have a blue, a red, and a yellow robot. Great. These are facts. A fact is anything that can be proven true or false. True means that it's yes, or false means that it's no. True. Very good. Now let's try something different. Which of these robots is the most fun? The blue one, the red one, or the yellow one? I hear a couple different answers. Some red, some blue. Those are good choices. The choice you made was an opinion. An opinion is something that you feel and you believe. Opinions are wonderful, and we all have them. They're what make us unique. But it is very important to know the difference between a fact and an opinion. There's only 1 robot here. Is that a fact or an opinion? Something to think about. The robot is green. Is that a fact or opinion? That is a fact. Green is a good color for a robot. Is that a fact or an opinion? And you're getting good at this. Now here's a hard one. Is this a big robot or a medium robot or a small robot? Without any other robots to compare, we don't know if it's a big, medium, or small. So we must wait until we have more information. Now, there are a few more robots, so we have more information. Is the green robot the biggest or the smallest? Yeah, he's the biggest compared to that guy. You're right. Now, it is a medium-sized robot, so that is a fact. Let's try some more. These are 2 of these robots have square heads, and 1 has a round head. Is that a fact or an opinion? That is a fact. Which robot would you like to be friends with? Is that a fact or opinion? That's an opinion. Okay. Let's kind of skip ahead here. All right. I wanted to just get to this one because I think it's awesome for us today. I want ice cream. Me too. My favorite flavor is chocolate. Mine is pistachio. Ew. You are wrong. Chocolate is the best. I am not wrong. I like pistachio. Is having a favorite flavor a fact or an opinion? It's an opinion. And these robots sure have strong opinions. They're even getting mad about their opinion, guys. Yuck. Pistachio is nasty. Chocolate is great. You're getting chocolate. No way pistachio. Or no way, Buckethead. Are the robots fighting? Is that a fact or an opinion? That's a fact. Look at all that. They're making lightning, and screws and nuts are going everywhere, and bolts. Let's repair the robots and see if they can do better. I want ice cream. Me too. Yum. My favorite flavor is chocolate. Yum. Mine is pistachio. I like oil on my ice cream. I like nuts and bolts on mine. See how it helps to listen to each other's opinions? Here are two more robots. Let's see what happens with them. All right, so we're going to kind of stop right there, guys. And we're going to come back to here and start to look. Okay. So, I handed out these sheets to you last time, and I hope that I put them in your folders to take home with you. So I'd like you to get those out. So, on your own right now, I want you to work on a right there. So the answer is in one place in the text. Okay? And one of the questions is, okay, what is the name of the book that we're reading? Okay, what is the name of the book that we're reading? Okay, and I'll put the book back up. So what is the name of the book that we're reading? Good. All right, we're going to move on to the next question. So think and search. The answer is in several parts of the text that you have to put together. So what that means, guys, is that we have to think about the question and we search for it, okay? So, as we go through, so I want to know how many robots, okay, were on the first page. So if we go through and we're searching, so this is the cover page, we're searching through, here's the first page. How many robots do you see in the first page? I'll let you look at that and make an answer, okay? So the next question, the author and you. Okay, you need to think about what you already know and what the author tells you in the text and how it fits together. So what I want you to know, what I want you to do for this question is you need to think about what you already know about this book, just from what we've read and what you've seen with your eyes. Okay? And then I want you to tell you how it fits together with the book. So what you know and what the author knows, and then I want you to put your answer here of how it fits together. Okay? All right, now for this last one on your own, I want you to you should be able to do this on your own. Okay? So on your own, all right, you can answer this question without reading the book. Okay? I want you to use what you know, okay, about facts and opinions. Okay, what do you know? What are some things that you know that are facts, okay, that you know already before the book? And what are some opinions that you have? Okay, a fact that I know is that I have a big beard. Look at that. That's a fact. And an opinion I have is that the University of Nebraska Cornhuskers football team is the best football team in the world. That's my opinion. Okay, so those are just some examples that you can use for that, okay? All right. Now, if you get stuck, okay, so these are just some ideas that you can use for higher order questions, like our what, where, when, why, who, okay? And I sent this sheet home with you, so you're more than welcome to use it while you're working on your assignment, okay? All right, guys. We had an awesome day today. I appreciate you guys being here, and I look forward to seeing you once we get back into school. Have a great day.